Hey everyone, real quick, I'm going to show you how to do step 2 when you upload an episode. This is the labeling speakers part. It's pretty simple. So you have options here when you click these little buttons that allow you to select a speaker. In this episode, I have 2 speakers. So I'll read the transcript and figure out who is who. So I see speaker A said, "Hey Jacob," and speaker B said, "Hey mom." So this is an episode between me and my mom. I know that beforehand. So I know that speaker A saying, "Hey Jacob," is my mom, and speaker B is myself. And so that's it. And I click submit, and then the content will finish generating. I want to add a couple of notes to that. If I mess up for any reason, and for instance, I say both of them are Amy, all of a sudden everyone in my entire transcript is my mom, I have this button right here I can use to reset the labels back to the original and do it all over again, and then click submit. And then the content will generate, and that's it. That's step 2. Cheers.